In plastics processing, when you hear the word automation, most likely the first thing that comes to your mind are robots, maybe even cobots. I'm Jim Colari. I'm the editorial director of Plastics Technology magazine. It might be time for you to think about automation in a different way. Artificial intelligence is emerging to bring automation to a broader spectrum of plastics processing machinery. These machines can now, in real time, make adjustments to varying process conditions so that you can keep material where it belongs, make parts when you need to, and make money. The concept is the same. You're using machine intelligence to replace human beings and operators to make your process more repeatable and more consistent. Now, I think that's good news for molders and all kinds of processors who are struggling with finding, training, and keeping operators. I want to talk to you about two examples of how artificial intelligence is being used to automate very specific types of auxiliary equipment. The most recent is for resin drying. Is there any process in plastics more fraught with variables and fluctuation than resin drying? Probably not. There are variations in material types, bulk density, drying time and temperature, airflow, and many of these require manual intervention from operators to make adjustments. Resin works with Optimizer, takes the operator out of the equation. It's a hands-free operation requiring no operator tweaks. It receives real-time data from every hopper and adjusts for changes in material throughputs, bulk densities, temperature, moisture control, drying time, airflow, and more. Conair cut its teeth on Optimizer technology with Conveying with Optimizer. Again, this is an automated system that continuously monitors the conveying line. On the fly, it monitors and adjusts for variations automatically. Things like vacuum leaks, dirty filters, clogged lines, material bulk density changes, material shape changes, and more. It also facilitates troubleshooting, as in many processing plants, it's not uncommon for two operators a football field away trying to figure out what's wrong with the line. AI has only scratched the surface of what's coming in plastics processing machinery. Before long, you're going to be seeing this type of technology utilized to control machines of all different types. I think it's a trend worth watching.